today we learn about Newton's laws of motion. So there are three laws. First law states any body at rest or in uniform motion will remain at rest or in uniform motion unless an unbalanced force is applied to change that state. That means body suppose in rest, it will like to be in the rest condition only, or the body is already in the uniform motion, it likes to continue in the same state of uniform motion unless it is applied by an external force, it remains in the same condition. So that is Newton's first law is also called as law of inertia. So what is uniform motion? Earth is going around the sun and all the planets are going around the sun. There is a uniform motion. So they are going around the sun from many thousands, millions of years. So unless it get disturbed, it will continue like that only. Then what is unbalanced force? Resultant of several forces acting on the body is not zero. Example, kick a ball in space. So it moves forever because so in the space there will be no gravity, no air resistance, no friction. Due to that, the ball will move forever. So then inertia. Inertia depends on the mass of the body. Larger the mass of the body, larger is the inertia. And inertia is of three types. Inertia of rest, inertia of motion, and inertia of direction. We'll take an example of inertia of rest. A book lying on a table will continue to remain until an external force is being applied on it. That is an example for inertia of rest. If we take an example of an inertia of motion, by applying a small force, a bicycle picks up a large velocity. A train has more mass. It opposes any change with more tendency because it has more mass. Any small force, it will not see any change in that because it has a large tendency to change that position. And the inertia of direction, the example is the tendency of a body to remain in a state of uniform motion in a straight line. You can take it as an example of inertia of motion because it's like to be in the state of uniform motion in a straight line only. Thank you for watching. Share and subscribe.